Hey, Gino Prussakov of AM Days here. In the course of the years, I spoke at many events throughout the globe. However, my most frequently spoken at conference is Affiliate Summit. In fact, this upcoming one in New York is going to mark my 20th time speaking at this great event. At past affiliate summits, I did 1-hour speeches and TED Talk style 20-minute ones. I moderated panels and I participated in panels. But at this upcoming affiliate summit in New York, I'm going to do something very, very different. I'm going to talk for 5 hours straight. The reason for this is that I'm running 2 workshops on the first day of Affiliate Summit East 2019. One workshop dedicated to the various types of online partnerships and how to make them work for you, and the other one being an advertiser's crash course in affiliate marketing. Each workshop will last 2.5 hours, and when it comes to these specific topics, we'll leave no stone unturned. The workshops are happening on August the 11th, and if you have not yet registered, do not procrastinate. Spaces are indeed limited. I do hope to see you in New York.